there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to add dual clock on always on display Samsung. So yeah, to do that, because dual clock is a widget, you must know that. So if we want it to be shown on our home screen or lock screen, so just squeeze on your screen and there will be a widgets option on the bottom of your screen just beside your themes and settings option. Go to widgets, scroll down, and you will find several options. Go to clock because it is a time widget. We must find it on clock. So here you can see there, this one is an alarm widget. Second one is digital clock. Third one is analog clock. And here goes the dual clock. So tap on the dual clock and tap on add. So yeah, as you can see, it is currently showing two times or dual clocks. One is of Dhaka and other one is of London. So if you just tap on any one of them, you can change the location. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.